Well, let's see. Objectives. Current objectives? I guess speak with the lawyer again. Okay. I don't know what we could oh, wait, the opposing lawyers, maybe, for the company? Ugh. Well, now. Have you? Part of Urban Development, I found this filing. Sorry, I don't exactly understand. You familiar with this law form? Yes. That's this one. Are you familiar with this filing? Well, it doesn't look like a court filing. It's not, it's a construction proposal, also known as a bid solution or bid response. The thing about this bid solution is that it's proposing a project in an area of the city that's privately owned. Yes, the way that usually works is that if the proposal is accepted, then the company may enter negotiations to purchase properties in the area. And supposing someone wasn't interested in selling, what would happen then? Depends, and other things can happen. We'll be here all day if I try to list them all. They could abandon the proposal, they could make their offer more enticing. In this case, it's a proposal for a city project. If they get nowhere with it, they could petition the city to invoke eminent domain. In which case, Hartman would have been paid almost nothing. They might have acquired that building for under $1 million. Specialized in the area of law, I wouldn't be able to discuss it, but you know. I do, I'm just not qualified to talk about it, so I can't talk about it. Different, we were in a bar, casually shooting the shit. Pardon my language. Oh, it's no problem. Certainly at first start still making offers that. I'm assuming that if they made an eminent domain petition, it failed. Due to attorney-client privilege, I can't discuss that. Just told me you're not specifically their attorney. Saying calling this a conflict of interest? I'm not at liberty to say. And even though I'm not the specific attorney handling this, the law firm does. And I'm still bound. Fair enough. But would one law firm representing two clients in a documented dispute with each other be considered a conflict of interest? That's a perfectly general question. You should be able to answer that. Well, there's the context of the conversation to consider. I guess, yes, you're right. It would be a conflict of interest. Could the law firm get in some kind of trouble? Yeah, actually a lot. So that when a will goes into probate, a judge could force a sale because money is easier to divide than property. Court isn't particularly concerned with the real value of that property, but with whether or not all parties agree to the liquidation. When this comes up, there's a deadline. The final judgment is D-Day. The property has to sell or the litigants face penalties. Companies like to acquire property can use this situation to force people to sell high-valued assets for next to nothing. Basically, legal highway robbery. Do I understand that correctly? Yep. Sounds like a missing will would be very advantageous in this scenario. Do you have a law degree? Never been to law school. You should go. You'd be a great litigator. Thank you. How does something like this happen? It's almost always a mistake. Law firms are very careful of this kind of thing. They never deliberately do this because it's so easy to get caught. You still have to wait for a corrupt lawyer to see an opportunity to get into their business dealing with some dirty dealing. That possibly always exists, but most of us went to Harvard or Yale or Euclid. This would be too obvious. I'll bet my career it was a mistake. Lawyers don't have to make a rookie mistake like playing two opposing parties for a big payday. So will the law firm do now that the light's been shined on this situation? I'm not at liberty to discuss that. Fine. I'd like access to the condo. Oh, absolutely. You need to get the key from Ellen. Let me check my notes. Miss Hartman's daughter. Carlin C's mother, exactly. I've been looking for that will, but I'm going to focus on it today. Can't need to reschedule the rest of my appointments today. Move them to the next available slots. Discuss all this with your partners, right? Kidding me? I have to. I can get disbarred for this. Well, I don't want that. Neither do I. Okay. But can I get into a conversation with Ellen? There's the question. Last time we went, her house was locked. That's a dead end. Well, let's do this. Okay. I need a key. Well. Is it? You're the one to talk to for access to the condo. Yeah, I feel recall. I got a spare set of keys for you ready to go. Just told me that a conflict of interest has arisen between Mom's estate and another previously existing client. What's that about? You also know First Star Enterprises. Oh jeez, what does that mean? Well, as I understand it, they can't just drop either or both clients. If we find that Willow problem, probably won't come up. So I expect a meeting with your law firm and First Star about what to do about the situation. Could First Star take advantage of that? No, they'd like to, but they're not stupid. They know they can get into trouble if they cause an issue like that. Yeah, that would help. Find Mom's reading room, you'll find it there. If not, then went missing on Phil's end, it had to. This was a comment that was probably an accident. I give him the benefit of the doubt, but after all this time, someone had to notice. And then not say anything? Really freaked out when I told him. He said that he doesn't handle business acquisitions, he can only handle estates and inheritances. That was in real estate, there's a lot to it. Nobody handles everything. Yes, he built a condominium high-rise. Your family is quite wealthy. The estate's wealthy. All money's tied up into that building. Shame if First Star could strong-arm it away from you. Won't the lawyers be upset about that? What are they gonna do about it? All they can do is make me fix it. I can afford it. The building account can pay me back. Okay. See clues. I see 5 clues. Well, the only thing left to do is investigate the condo. Well, follow the rainbow, I guess. Sadly, I forget the color order of the rainbow. Well, we know it's in there somewhere. Boom. Okay. Oh, I can see a very nice looking piano from here. So, okay. Well, a pool, eh? Man, these was the bedroom, man. It's hard to tell with this stuff. Okay. Well, nothing. Okay. How do you... She even had... Oh, I see. It just slides out. Well, no. Well, I guess we just gotta follow the rainbow. I found it. Yeah, blast from the past. I think Carly has one just like it. Okay. No, it's a ledger. Important numbers. This isn't a phone number. 95.1. Okay. Yep. Golden oldies. Oh. Let's see. Keypad with letters. I think this one's going to be obvious. 94248. How is that obvious? Dated March 12th. This is it. The newest version of the will. Well, there's a letter here. Darling family, I can't tell how wonderful my life has been with all of you in it. Can't even express how happy I am that I can leave my legacy in your safe hands. Ellen, I hope your grandchildren will be as wonderful as your children have been. Carl, always be you and whoever you love. Love them with all of your heart. Steve, I hope your children will support each other like you've supported your sister. Jenna, thank you for everything you've done. Never forget to stop and take time for a rainbow. Yep. Well, time to get going, I guess. I suppose she will. I think I'll have a beer. Let me remind that no matter how wrong things are with the world, life goes on according to plan. Well, suppose that's the end of this one.
sun goes down today.
Not sure if I'll be able to get through copyright claims of the song, though. I guess I'll find out. Until next time, then. See ya.